Welcome to GATHA Channel, where we bring you beautiful and practical design ideas to make the most of your small living space. Today, we're exploring the magic of decorating with plants in small apartments. Imagine stepping into a cozy room filled with vibrant greenery. Sunlight streams through a large window, casting soft shadows on wooden floors and neutral-colored walls. Lush pothos, ferns, and snake plants are thoughtfully placed, creating a refreshing and inviting atmosphere. A woven rug and a wooden coffee table with a delicate potted plant add warmth to the scene. Plants not only beautify a space but also purify the air, making your home feel fresh and alive. Whether you have a tiny studio or a compact loft, the right plant placement can instantly transform your environment into a natural sanctuary. Maximizing vertical space is key when decorating with plants in a small apartment. Picture an urban living room where greenery is displayed at different heights, creating a lush and layered effect. Hanging planters with cascading pothos and ivy bring life to the ceiling, while wooden wall-mounted shelves hold an assortment of succulents and ferns. Near a sunlit window, a macrame plant hanger adds a charming bohemian touch. The walls, decorated with minimalist artwork, create a perfect backdrop for the greenery. This approach not only saves precious floor space but also draws the eye upward, making the room feel larger and more dynamic. Living in a small apartment doesn't mean you need high-maintenance plants. The right choices can bring greenery into your space with minimal effort. Picture a cozy reading nook with a comfortable chair beside a small side table, adorned with resilient plants like snake plants, peace lilies, and ZZ plants. These species thrive with little care, purifying the air and adding a touch of nature. Stylish ceramic pots in earthy tones enhance their aesthetic appeal. Sunlight filters through sheer curtains, casting a warm glow that highlights the rich green leaves. This serene corner is perfect for unwinding after a long day, proving that even the busiest individuals can enjoy the beauty of plants. Arranging small plants in clusters can create a beautiful focal point in any small apartment. Imagine a modern living room where succulents, cacti, and ferns sit on a wooden bookshelf and coffee table. Their different textures and colors create visual interest, making the space feel lively and fresh. A large window in the background allows natural light to enhance their beauty, blending urban and natural elements effortlessly. By grouping plants in different shapes and sizes, you add depth to your decor without cluttering the space. This method is perfect for plant lovers who want to showcase their collection in a stylish and organized way. Not all apartments receive abundant sunlight, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy indoor plants. Imagine a dimly lit corner transformed into a green retreat with low-light plants such as ZZ plants, ferns, and spider plants. A tall bookshelf, filled with books and trailing vines, creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere. A soft, glowing floor lamp adds warmth, casting gentle light onto the rich green foliage. This space feels serene and peaceful, perfect for relaxing with a book or enjoying a quiet moment. By choosing plants that thrive in lower light, you can still bring nature indoors, no matter your apartment's lighting conditions. When space is limited, multifunctional furniture can help incorporate greenery seamlessly into your decor. Imagine a compact apartment with a sleek coffee table featuring a built-in planter, holding a cluster of snake plants. A modern bookshelf, designed with designated plant slots, showcases cascading pothos and small succulents. Nearby, a cozy sofa with soft cushions invites relaxation, blending comfort with practicality. These innovative furniture pieces maximize every inch of space, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of indoor plants without adding clutter. This setup proves that even the smallest apartments can embrace nature in a stylish and efficient way. Who says plant pots have to be traditional? Using creative containers can add character and personality to your space. Picture a kitchen windowsill displaying an eclectic mix of repurposed planters, mason jars filled with fragrant herbs, ceramic bowls cradling tiny succulents, and woven baskets holding trailing pothos. The variety of materials and shapes creates a visually interesting and inviting setup. Sunlight filters through the window, casting soft shadows that highlight the textures and colors of the plants. This approach not only adds charm but also gives new life to everyday objects, making your apartment feel uniquely yours. A single large plant can completely change the feel of a small apartment. Imagine a contemporary living room where a stunning fiddle leaf fig stands tall in a stylish ceramic pot beside a sleek sofa. In the corner, a bamboo palm reaches toward the ceiling, adding an elegant and tropical touch. The minimalist decor allows these statement plants to take center stage, creating a striking yet soothing environment. Large windows provide abundant natural light, enhancing the vibrant green hues. Even in compact spaces, a well-placed large plant can make a bold impact, bringing life and sophistication to the room. For those who love a clean, uncluttered aesthetic, minimalist plant decor is the perfect solution. Imagine a small bedroom where simplicity meets nature. A floating wooden shelf displays a neatly arranged row of succulents, while a single elegant orchid sits on the bedside table. The soft, neutral tones of the room allow the greenery to stand out without overwhelming the space. This thoughtful approach ensures that the apartment remains airy and open while still embracing the warmth and freshness of indoor plants. A little greenery goes a long way in creating a peaceful, balanced environment. The key to decorating with plants in a small apartment is finding the right balance between style and functionality. Picture a well-organized space where plants are thoughtfully placed to enhance both aesthetics and practicality. A wooden ladder shelf, neatly arranged with potted greenery and books, blends decoration with storage. Hanging planters near the windows optimize space while adding visual interest. The soft glow of pendant lights enhances the cozy and inviting ambience. This setup proves that plants can seamlessly integrate into any design, transforming an ordinary apartment into a lush, stylish, and harmonious home.